Let's go and make something.
So I need a groove on the end of the stock, so I'll make a couple of passes over on the table saw. I'll then trim it down to size and we'll put it together. I'm now going to manipulate the wood to shape it the way I need it. So I'm going to use some dowel to give extra strength. The irony. Using a square. I'll then drill some holes and glue them in. I'll then sand them back and that will be the project done. Quite a bit of squeeze out of it. That's spot on.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.